everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a realistic deep clean of my bedroom. As you can see, this is well and truly needed. I have been away for the week with work and yeah, just stuff has been dumped all over my bedroom. As you can see, not made my bed this morning, and there's nothing worse than not having your bed made. So yeah, let's just do this. After giving my cat a few pets and a few kisses, of course I had to make my bed first. So that is what I'm going to do. Making your bed just makes the world of difference to your room, doesn't it? Like, already my room feels cleaner, even though it's not fully clean. The little spray that you saw me use was actually a little mixture that I always do because my mum taught me how to do it. It's literally just water and fabric softener in a spray bottle, and I just spray it to refresh my bedding in the week. And yeah, it just makes the bedding smell incredible. So this was my bag that I took away with me when I went away with work. So I'm just currently deciding which clothes are clean and which clothes are dirty. How realistic doing the smell test, because I know full well I'm not the only one that does this. So now I've put all my clean clothes away from my overnight bag. I know full well I'm not the only person that this happens to, but I have got a wash basket in my room, and yeah, there just happens to be a pile of clothes on the floor here that me and my boyfriend literally just pile up once or twice in the week. Because we can't be bothered to go and put it in the wash basket. Like, why? It takes 2 seconds. To be honest, my boyfriend's worse at this than I am, but at this point there was some of my clothes in there too. As you can see, I've got an Ottoman storage bed, which is honestly a lifesaver. So all of my like bigger pieces of clothing, like my hoodies, my fluffy PJs, things like that, and obviously my overnight bag as well, that all stays underneath my bed. So that is what I was just doing. Now is obviously emptying the bins. My bins were overflowing, so I was just emptying my room bin and my bathroom bin into recycling and just general waste. This bit really makes me laugh because, as you can see, I'm just deciding what to do next and what I've done as well. Oh, and also changing my phone camera for TikTok, because of course I'm filming this for TikTok too. Now it's time for this side of my room, and I needed to put all of my skincare products. So all of these little bags are also from when I went away. So I've got all my skincare, all of my like hair care and makeup bags as well. Saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways. In reality, to be honest with you guys, I do not wear a lot of makeup at all these days anymore. Like, I do prefer just having my face clean and clear. So all of this makeup in this drawer is very extravagant for one person. I have got more as well because I am so lucky to get sent things, obviously. But yeah, I do need to have a good old like sort out in this drawer because I don't use half of this stuff, but you know, when you just can't get rid of it because it is good. Yeah, that is my predicament. Going back on to saying how lucky I am, these are the 2 PR parcels that I received this week, one from Pixie and one from Garnier. So this is me just going through all the products and deciding where they are going to go. Here is the dreaded chair that I know everyone has in their room. This is the chair that gets things dumped on it all the time, as you can see, and if you'd have seen at the start of this video as well, it also had clothes and hoodies and everything on it as well. So yeah, I did also take my iMac with me to my job when I was working away. So yeah, I'm just setting all of this back up and plugging it all back in. That is why it's like all unplugged and all dishevelled too. Everywhere was looking a little bit dusty, so this is where I pull out my little duster. This is so good. I think this is a flash duster. It's got like a scent on it and it smells so nice. So I used that, and then also obviously disinfected all my sides as well.
Yeah, some of those will be nice. Yeah.
So if you can see in that corner down, like beside my desk and my set of drawers, there is a pile of clean clothes. This is a pile, or two piles actually, of washing that I just couldn't be bothered to put away. So now is time to put it away. I honestly don't know why I do it to myself. Like, once I've got clean clothes on my bed, if I can't be bothered to put them away, then they just literally go on my beanbag in that corner. Till the day that I can be bothered to put them away. And that's just the reality of life. As you can see in this clip, it is now starting to get dark, so I did pop my lamp on. But yeah, this did take me a good few hours. I don't think I started it until like 2 p.m. After all my clothes were away, it was then time to dust this side of the room. So my bedside table, I took everything off and then obviously dusted everything on it as well. And then I dusted my mirror and also my windowsill.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart.
I didn't actually film hoovering my bedroom because by the time I'd finished this, I then went downstairs for my tea, and then it got too late to hoover, so I hoovered the next morning. But this is what my room looks like compared to what it looked like this morning. I think I did a pretty good job. I really enjoy doing videos like this, so definitely let me know if you want me to do more in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for a brand new video. Love you.
I'm never gonna send you, saying how I feel if you